2018 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, backup camera, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, MP3 player. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.